Okay, today we're making donuts. So I've made the dough, I've let it proof for a little over an hour, and it's almost tripled in size. So we're gonna dump it out, we're gonna roll out our donuts and cut them out. Once they're cut, they'll go onto wax paper so that they can rise from the oven, and then we'll come back and fry them. All right, we're working with half our dough. We're gonna roll it out to a ½ inch thick, ½ inch thickness, and then we're going to cut out our donuts. So ½ inch, it's about that thick, so it's not gonna take a whole lot of rolling out. All right, so our dough is about the right height. So we're gonna start cutting out the donuts. See if we can squeeze one more out of here. Now for the hole in the center. All right, so we are going to stick the dough in the oven to proof. It'll sit there for 20-30 minutes. And to keep them from drying out in the oven, we're gonna put in there a cup full of boiling water so the steam will stay in there and it'll keep it moist. We're gonna try the big donut. Got that done.
That's a huge donut.
It's a huge donut.
Okay, so one down, 30 more to go.
Yep. Kids will love them.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna make a glaze for our donuts. So we're gonna start with a quarter cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar. Add a little bit of milk, because it's milk powder. I'm just gonna put 1 spoonful. A dash of vanilla. And then some hot water to make the glaze. Tastes good.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take our donut holes, just dunk them in the glaze, and set them off to the side. Okay, so we're going to decorate some of our donuts. These are fun.
These are fun. Kids are gonna love these.
All right. I don't think these are gonna stick on there.
No, there.
I got a couple. All right. So we're going to glaze these donuts, and we are using just a basic vanilla glaze using powdered sugar, vanilla, milk, and a little bit of water. And so we've added some food coloring to give it some color, and we'll see how this turns out. Right-handed scissors.
Fun.
Maybe we'll try a little yellow too, see how it looks.
Look how delicious mess.
Kind of like a Jackson Pollock painting. Huh? A little sprinkle on.